Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Mohammed Ali Al-Refaii from Unifi Information Technology, here to help you identify essential ERP features for your business. When choosing ERP, always look for features that align with your business needs. When we talk about manufacturers, robust production, scheduling, and quality control are key. Trading and distribution, advanced inventory and order management help avoid stockouts. FMCG companies benefit from demand forecasting and expiry tracking, while service industries need project management and CRM integration. Additionally, reporting tools and data analytics are weighted across all sectors, providing insights to drive decision-making. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Mohammed Ali Al-Refaii. For more guidance on ERP, visit our contact page at unifi-me.com/contact. Let's enhance your business with ERP.